I feel like I was dropped off a mountain, thrown into a chipper shredder that was on fire, and then fed to angry, rabid chihuahuas. Hello again, cheapskates. Oh boy, my voice sounds terrible. Holy cow. Yeah, I apologize for my absence. I have had the flu from hell. I bet I haven't had the flu in 20 years easily. And for some reason, this hit me like a ton of bricks. And oh my God, it put me down for about a week. So I pray that all y'all stay healthy, wash your hands, um, just be safe because this flu this year is not playing around. It's some nasty stuff. So I'm on the mend. I'm feeling a little bit better, good enough to do a video for you guys because I've got several packages that came in the mail over the past few days. So I want to get to opening up some new stuff for you guys and showing you what's out there as far as mystery bags and boxes and picking and all that kind of stuff. So thanks for tuning in. This week I've got another eBay package, and I was trying to do a more budget friendly option for some of my viewers who just wanted to kind of play around with this. You know, I don't want to spend any more than $20. So I found the first vendor on eBay that offered and I was expecting a box because in the pictures they showed boxes, but I got a bag instead. So this was $19.99 plus $5.50 in shipping. And this promises, we'll see about that, promises a $40 value of Amazon returns. And this vendor on eBay is JZ7PJ underscore 96. And I'll leave a link below in the description. But yeah, $40, paid 20 plus some shipping. So I don't know. This guy only got, I mean, I think his reviews were 88% good. So we'll see. It could be clothing, it could be electronics, all the things, all the typical returns. Honestly, I don't feel anything in here other than clothing. I don't feel anything. Well, there's something kind of solid, but most of this feels like clothing. And from the reviews I read, mostly it is clothing. So we'll see what happens. Let's give this guy a try. I see jeans. What do we got? Very short jeans. Woo! Hello. Lucky Brand. Oh, stop. Lucky Brand, if you guys wear Lucky Brand, you know that that is not a cheap brand whatsoever. I've had Lucky Brand shoes and jeans. This looks like it would be a little bit bigger than what I wear. They're cute, but yeah, I think these might be a little bigger than my size. But hey, I'm not complaining. Lucky Brand jeans on the first thing, so we're off to a fairly good start. I mean, I can resell these because Lucky Brand jeans, I have to look it up. I know they're not cheap, and I think I have one pair, and I bought them at like cheap TJ Maxx or something. Of course, you think I paid full price for jeans? All right, what else? It looks like this is going to be all jeans and pants and stuff like that. Well, shoes. American Eagle. Very cute. A very cute pair of shorts from American Eagle. But these, again, look like they are super tiny. Ugh, I can't see. I'm blind. Give me a second. It's a US size 4. So high-rise shorty. I mean, I'd have to lose a little weight to fit into these, but they are cute. American Eagle shorts, size 4. Not too bad. I mean, name brand items like this, I'll take it. And with its 3 pairs of shorts, and these look like they might fit me. Yeah. Yep. Those could fit me. Another coming up this summer, I'm going to be hooked up with shorts. This brand is O'Neill. Now, that's not one I've seen. So y'all tell me in the comments section below, but They're cute. They look like they're high rise. They're button fly. A nice little pair of jeans shorts. So, and I think that's it. Yep, that's it. Okay, well, I would say for $20, I mean, I probably would have easily gone to the thrift store and paid $20 for three name brand pairs of shorts like that. So I'd say, I again, one of these does not fit me whatsoever. They're a little on the larger side, but I can resell those Lucky Brand shorts. So if you're looking for an option, and I did look through this guy's reviews, and most people said that she, I don't know who this is, this person, individual, whatever, space alien, I don't know who you are. Um, Most of the reviews did say that they do send clothing, so I can attest to that. It was three pairs of shorts. So yeah, I mean, if you're looking for some little clothing items, then this vendor might be the one for you. So okay, 19.99 plus 5.50 shipping. Not a bad. Trust me, I've gotten a whole lot worse for a whole lot more. So that's I'm not going to complain too much. That's meh. So if you want to give that one a try, you just throw out a $20 bill to have a little bit of fun opening something. Then that may be one. Like I said, I'll leave the link to his page in the comments section. Wow. I'm going to continue to try to recuperate and get back on track with videos. I've got a Temu haul that I need to open. I've got another surprise haul, and I'm surprised I haven't heard more about this. And I'm not going to say too much because I want it to be a surprise. But I was thinking that there would be more or I was thinking that there would be more people kind of doing unboxings for this particular service, but I haven't really seen any. So when this package gets here at the end of the month, I am going to do a haul video that's a little bit different, and I hope you guys will tune into that. But and this weekend, fingers crossed, and all of the bin picking fairies do work their magic and do their thing and give me some mystery bags. I will hopefully go to my pick and place near to where I live and get some. I'm going to buy several mystery bags if they've got them this weekend. Hopefully they do. I've had so many of you ask me where you can get those bags. Y'all, I wish I could say that there were one of these places around every corner, but there's not. It's a local thing. However, there are other bin picking places that do mystery bags and boxes. So check if you've got one nearby, they might have mystery bags, but mine in particular, they've got them every week. Matter of fact, I just bought a mystery bag. They did a little auction online, and it was just a mystery bag. But I think they sold 15 or 20 bags, and one of those bags has $100 bill inside. So as soon as I'm going to go this weekend and pick that up, and if I found $100 bill inside of one of these bags, I would just be over the moon. So stay tuned for that. I got lots and lots of content. I've just been derailed with the sickness. You Disturbed fans are going to love that reference. Anyway, I do want to thank all my new subscribers. I've got folks from, I think I've had somebody mention they were in Australia. I've got a ton of people and folks in the UK. Appreciate you guys watching my weird self. I've got loads of Canadians watching. I mean, I keep looking at the comments and where you guys are watching from, and it's like this weird lady in the United States. I think I'm going to give her my time. So I appreciate you guys doing that. I truly do. And I hope I can, I don't know, in a crazy world that we live in, I hope I can offer a little bit of a distraction and maybe bring a smile to your face and maybe send some good bargains your way. Anyway, as always, I am so appreciative that you guys are tuning in to me, and stay tuned. I believe my next one will be a Temu haul. I've had to wait a minute to get this thing, but we'll try to do a Temu haul and see what happens with that. So it's cold out there, 8 degrees here in Tennessee, which is According to Google, I'm not familiar, but according to Google, it's minus 13 Celsius. Is that correct? To my fam out there that use the use Celsius instead of Fahrenheit, but it's going to be 8 degrees here, which is stupid cold for us. So stay warm, y'all. Just if you can stay inside and bundle up and be warm and toasty and comfy, then do so. And as always, I hope you guys stay healthy and happy and warm and stay cheap, y'all.